So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the process of filling out IRS Form 1040, whether you're filling taxes or the first time or just need a refresher. This guide will help you step by step, so let's get started. What is IRS Form 1040? Form 1040 is used by US citizens and resident aliens to and allies to report their annual income, claim tax deductions, and calculate how much tax they owe or the refund they'll receive. It covers all income sources, wages, interest, dividends, capital gains, retirement income, and more. Step 1 is to enter your personal information. At the top of the form, fill in your full legal name, social security number, address, street, city, state, zip file, zip code. If filling jointly, include your spouse's name as well. Step 2 would be choose your filing status. Select one of the following options, single or married. Step 4 would be dependents and standard deductions. List your dependents including their names and relationship to you. If you or your spouse are over 65 or blind, you may be eligible for an additional deduction. Add these up to get your total income. Step 6 would be adjustments, deductions, and taxable income. Report adjustment to income like student loan interest or educator expenses on Schedule 1. Lines 16 to 18 show your total tax amount including any extra taxes. Lines 19 to 21 include credits such as the child tax credit, education credits, or earned income credit. Subtract your credits from your total tax to find the amount you owe. Step 8 would be payments and refund. So just do that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.